us winning. What keeps me waking up every morning and I want to speak to him, I want to pray to him, I want to worship him, I want to serve him, I want to serve his people. If God is for us, who shall be again? Who are us? Those who live in the realm of the spirit, those who keep the love. Each and every day bavuka bemthanda. Bangene emanzini amaningi baphume bemthanda. Ngisho bephakathi emlilweni basamthanda. Babephuma basamthanda. Wabuza uDaniel uzoxoxela wakwangena emphandweni weingonyama esamthanda. Wahlala neingonyama wamthanda. Yizwe response yakho uma inkosi imbuza ngaye. uNkulunkulu wakho omthandazayo njalo usekhiphile yini? Uthi makabonge. uNkulunkulu akacomplain ngoba ngishe phakathi emphandweni uyamtha. uJesu umthandi usemgodini umthande. I don't know, let me talk to you. He let you go through it. He's scaling the love. He let you go through it. He's checking the love. He let you go through it. He wanna see the love.